Hello and welcome. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. In this video, we will put a rocket on a Hot Wheels. I am making rocket body from paper. A 30 mm wide piece of paper is rolled to 6 mm drill bit and craft glue is used to stick it. Rocket construction look like this. End of the paper tube is plugged with clay, then it is filled with rocket fuel and closed with clay. I am using homemade clay which is made into a powder using a blender. Fuel is a mix of 65% KNO3 and 35% sugar. I am using same 6 mm drill bit to compact the fuel. Nozzle and fire hole is drilled with 2.5 mm drill bit. Fuse for the rocket is made from an electrical wire. A single strand of the copper wire is taken and connected to the other wire. When we connect both ends to the battery, it will melt and create a high temperature. I am fixing rocket motor to a weighing scale using 3M tape to measure thrust. Fuse is put directly into the fire hole and ignited. It failed because back of the rocket was blown off, and on its way it put a hole on my backdrop also. For the car to go around the loop, centrifugal force should be greater than or equal to the force due to gravity. I have calculated and this rocket is perfect for this. So I designed a holder for the rocket in Fusion 360 and 3D printed it. Round is not scary, pointy scary. I am printing it in ABS plastic. 3M automotive tape is used to stick the rocket holder to the car. I want to make a bigger diameter and shorter length 3D printed rocket also. This has an inner diameter of 9 mm, length is 11 mm and fire hole is 4 mm. But the length was not enough, so I made the length 25 mm. With this rocket, Hot Wheels is reaching a top speed of 4 meters per second. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you guys on the next video.